Adobe Premiere Pro versus Descript. Two editing giants, but which one really delivers? On the left, Adobe Premiere Pro, the industry standard pro video editor. On the right, Descript, the AI-powered text-based editing tool changing the game. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's how we're going to roll through this comparison. First up is editing workflow and user experience. Then AI and automation features, professional features and depth, collaboration and platform, pricing, and finally, performance and compatibility. Yep, that's a lot, but stick around because each category is kind of crucial for different creators. Okay, let's kick things off with editing workflow and user experience. So, Premiere Pro, it's all about old school timeline editing, super granular control, and almost endless customization. If you're the kind of person who wants to noodle around with every detail, Premiere has you covered. But you might get slammed by a pretty steep learning curve. For newbies, it's honestly kind of intimidating. Now, Descript flips that whole experience. You edit your video like it's Google Docs, just by messing with the transcript text. Super beginner-friendly, super fast, and honestly, it's like magic for anyone who hates technical interfaces. You lose some manual timeline control, sure, but it's wild how easy it is. For workflow, Descript absolutely wins this round, mainly because it's fun and instant. All right, now let's talk AI and automation. Premiere Pro's got some legit AI stuff. There's auto reframe, scene edit detection, and Adobe Sensei giving little workflow boosts. But all that AI mainly just helps out the classic editing flow, rather than doing all the heavy lifting. Descript? Oh, and here's something cool. Instant transcription, removing those ums and uhs. And overdub that literally replaces your spoken words using your own voice. The AI editing shortcuts are just fast. Downside, you don't get those nitty-gritty VFX automations. But for most creators, you probably don't need that anyway. So yeah, Descript takes this one too. It's the AI boss. Moving on, let's talk professional features and depth. Premiere Pro, come on, it's legendary here. Advanced color grading, real motion graphics, multicam editing, the whole audio mixing deal. Plus, it syncs right up with After Effects and Photoshop. Downside, honestly, the interface is complex, and it can totally chew up your RAM. Descript is cool for podcasts, tutorials, and quick social stuff. And teams love how it all sits together. But let's be real. For movies, heavy VFX, or exporting weird formats, it's just not the right tool. No surprise, Premiere grabs the win for pro depth. It's built for serious editors.
So before we wrap up, here's something wild. Did you know Descript can synthesize your actual voice and drop in new dialogue with their overdub feature? Like, if you mess up a word, just type the fix and boom, your voice says it. That still freaks me out.
Next up is collaboration and platform. So Premiere Pro does have Creative Cloud sharing and team libraries, but they're kind of clunky, and the cloud workflow just feels slower. File versions? Don't get me started. Descript is genuinely slick here. Real-time cloud sharing, instant comments and edits, and works across web, Mac, and Windows. Only catch is, you need decent internet. But for flexible teamwork, Descript pretty much wipes the floor with Premiere in this category.
Let's talk pricing.
Premiere Pro, not gonna lie, can get pricey. Unless you're already all in with Adobe's Creative Cloud, you're probably paying upwards of $20 or $35 a month just for Premiere. Every feature is locked behind the paywall. Descript, though, there's a free tier. And even the paid plans top out around $24 a month. That's way easier on most creators' budgets. Plus, the team pricing is actually affordable. Sure, you need a paid plan for those advanced AI tricks, but overall, Descript totally wins on cost. Finally, performance and compatibility. Premiere Pro is super powerful if you've got beast hardware. It's tuned for desktops, and yeah, if your machine's old, prepare for some lag. Descript, though, runs fine on pretty standard hardware, relies mostly on the cloud, and is lightweight enough that you can basically edit anywhere. Does mean you need to stay online, but hey, that's 2025 for you. For all-around compatibility and ease, Descript grabs this win too.
Quick visual check,
and yeah, Descript is honestly ahead in most categories, especially for AI, workflow, collaboration, and pricing. Premiere is still the heavyweight champ for hardcore pro editing, but Descript feels lighter and turbocharged for modern creators. If you need to make serious films, commercials, or anything with advanced effects, Premiere Pro is still in a league of its own. But if you're hustling out podcasts, educational vids, or social stuff, and especially if you love editing fast and collaborating online, Descript is basically the future. It just makes video feel simple and social.
If you like smart comparisons and want to see what fits your vibe, you should seriously try editing your next project with both, and see which one fires you up the most.